Hello friends, myself Amarnath with today's topic modulation. So let us start without any delay. Modulation. Actually, what is modulation? In electronics and telecommunication, modulation is the process of varying one or more properties of a periodic waveform. The carrier signal with a modulating signal that typically contains information that is to be transmitted. As you can see in the picture, modulation is usually applied to electromagnetic signal, radio waves, laser, optics and computer network. Modulation can be even applied to a direct current, which can be treated as a degenerate carrier wave with a fixed amplitude and frequency of 0 Hz, mainly by turning it on and off, as in Morse code, telegraphy or a digital current loop interface. Carrier signal. Carrier signal or a carrier wave is an alternating electromagnetic signal with a steady frequency upon which information is superimposed by some form of modulation. So let us see what are the types of modulation. So first, amplitude modulation. Amplitude modulation in which the height, that is the strength of intensity of the signal carrier, is varied to represent the data being added to the signal. Second, frequency modulation. Frequency modulation in which the frequency of the carrier waveform is varied to reflect the frequency of the data. Third, phase modulation. Phase modulation in which the phase of the carrier waveform is varied to reflect changes in the frequency of the data. In PM, the frequency is unchanged, while the phase is changed relative to the base carrier frequency. It is similar to FM, that is frequency modulation. What is the purpose of modulation? The primary purpose of modulation in a communication system is to generate a modulated signal suited to the characteristic of a transmission channel. In radio communication, modulation is needed in the transmission system to transfer the message into the available high frequency radio channel. So, thank you for your patient listening.